Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Rapid Stylist. After, oh my goodness, after a lot of days I'm what's wrong with my throat? Sorry. Okay, after a lot of days I'm back with a new video. So today I'm going to share this makeup look with you all. Yeah, so this makeup look is going to be a Valentine Eve sort of makeup look. And if you are single and if you hate Valentine's Day, then you can also watch this video because we love makeup, right? So if you interested to know more about this makeup, then keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to use on my face is this toner. This toner is amazing. Sometimes I use this toner on my client's face as well, so I love this toner. I literally drenched my face with this toner. Now I will wait for some time, let it dry. Okay, now the toner almost dried out. Now I'm going to use this serum. This is Good Vibes Rose Face Serum, and this toner is from Vedic line. I'm applying some lip balm. Sorry. So my face is all set and prepped. Now it's time for primer. So for primer I'm going to use this one. This is L'Oreal Base Magique Transforming Smoothing Primer. Ooh, long name. Okay, so let's apply this one. I'm going to take a little bit just on my T-zone. It is really a good primer. It's blurred out my pores and gives my face a smooth surface to work on. Well, I forgot to apply some moisturizer on my neck, so I'm using the Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer and applying it on my neck area. And also some on my ears as well. Never forget your neck and ears because otherwise it looks really uneven. And the remaining on my hands. For my foundation, I will do my brows because it's not in a proper shape, as you can see. So for brows, I'm going to use this one, and this is PAC Super Brow Cream in the shade Walnut Wax. Yeah, 03 shade number. So this is a brow pomade basically. So first, I'm going to brush my brows with this spoolie. Brush, I'm going to use this ProArt PE27, this brush over here. I hope you can see. I will take very little amount from this tub, very little, on the back of my hand, and will work with this. You can see the difference, right? I will clean the edges by using this one, and this is from Kryolan Base Palette in the shade FS22. So I will take again little amount. I know it looks really lighter than my skin tone, but we will manage it by using foundation and all. Okay, so my brow done. Now I can move on to the foundation. So this is the look of my brow. Final result. Okay, so for foundation I'm going to use this one. This is Maybelline 330 Toffee, but it's way darker than my skin tone. So this much only. As you can see, it's darker than my skin tone, so don't worry, I'm going to mix it with concealer. So this is a Wet n Wild concealer in the shade, I think it's medium 20, I don't know the pronunciation whatsoever. So first I'm going to apply the concealer all over my face. Medium tawny, I guess. I don't know the pronunciation, I'm so sorry about that. Okay, so I applied the concealer all over my face. Now I'm going to use a wet beauty blender. I will take the foundation and apply all over my face. Okay, as I say always, don't drag the sponge, always dab it onto your face to get the flawless blend. Okay, where is my mirror? Sorry. Again, don't forget your neck, hairline. It's very important. This area is very crucial. And your ears. Okay. Almost done. Spend all your time in blending only. Just dab. Don't drag, just dab and spend all your time in blending only, okay? Okay, highlighting my face, I'm going to use the same shade FS22 on the highlighting area, which is, I'm showing you here, here, some here, bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow. Okay, Cupid's bow on your chin area. Some here on your forehead. Okay, while blending the highlighting concealer or maybe your contour, don't spread all over, okay? Just dab on the same area. Now I'm going to bake my face. So for this I'm going to use this Johnson baby powder. I will bake my under eye only and also this area. Just to enhance the contour part. I'm going to just dust some compact. Okay, eyeshadow, I'm going to use this huge palette. So this is pretty all set from You Can Be. So it has almost every color which you need. Okay, so yes, if you have this one, you are good to go. First I'm going to use this shade. Hope you can see as a transition shade, transition color. I'm applying this color all over my socket area, this area, and also on my crease area. So I applied the color. Now I'm going to use this shade over here. Apply here on the crease, only on the crease area. First take very little amount and then you can build the color as per your preference. Okay, so after applying the color, I'm taking a clean brush and blending the edges. Now I'm taking this red from the palette, dust it off and applying here only on the outer half. And blend the color with the previous one. Applying the red, now take a clean brush and clean everything. Clean the edges, blend the edges, just blend and blend everything. Alright. In the same shade with the brush and applying the shimmery shade on my brow bone area. Okay, now with the same brush on which I have applied the red shade and the brown shade, I'm going to take some of the brown shade, like this shade over here, this one, and very little amount, and just blend the shade with the shimmer one, just to avoid the harsh lines. As you can see, okay, so eyeshadow done. Now I will apply eyeliner, and for eyeliner I'm going to use this editing one. Now I'm going to apply some kajal on my waterline. So this is Lakme kajal. I'm applying on the 1/3 portion only. Like this. I'm going to take this red from the palette and smudge the kajal with it. Now for mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So for contouring, I'm going to use this shade from the same palette, same eyeshadow palette. And for blush, I'm going to use this shade over here. And now I have to remove powder. Now for highlighter, I'm going to mix these shades all together and apply. Using the setting spray from Wet n Wild. I've applied some lashes off camera, and now it's time for some lipstick. I don't like the lipstick at all, but I love the shade. It's so sticky. Curl my hair a little bit off camera. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.